Create new text document, option missing from context menu. I noticed today that there is no longer a Create New Text Document option in my Windows 7 x64 Ultimate context menu when I right-click. No idea how or when it disappeared. Point is it's gone. After searching Google for people with the same problem, I tried following a post in this guide. But I got stuck right away because I don't see a .txt key in my registry under hkey_classes_root. I only see a .text, but I am not sure if that is the same thing.
Just add the .txt key yourself and then make sure that the following string value is there. The shell will use it to decide which items to put on the new menu. Microsoft has a KB article about it here. This URL. If you're adding a brand new type or fixing a broken one, you may need to add another entry to specify the text used. The default entry for the hkcr.txt should be file. Then make sure you have a hkcr\file entry with default entry something like text document. Close all instances of Explorer, ideally reboot, and that should work.
I gained access to another PC running Windows 7, a computer on which the context menu was intact. I peeked at the registry of this machine and copied exactly what was entered. Doing so resolved the problem on my desktop with the broken context menu. Following all the instructions listed above, the two strings within the .txt key that I needed were content type and perceive type. So then to recap, if you are facing a similar issue, here is what I did to fix this problem. Hopefully it works for you as well. First, back up the registry. Open regedit.exe, expand hkey_classes_root and look for a .txt key. If none exist, create one. Within the .txt key, create two new strings, content type and perceive type, right-click, modify, and the value for default should be file. Right-click, modify, and the value for content type should be text/plain, right-click, modify, and the value for perceive type should be text. Create a new key with the name shell new within the .txt key. Within the shell new key, create a new string with the name null file. Within the shell new key, create a new expandable string value with the name item name, right-click, modify, and the value for item name should be @systemroot%/system32/notepad.exe-470. Here are two screenshots of what the final outcome should be.
Create a new file with the .reg extension, copy, paste, save and run.
Ion Sculpture, o que celular é